Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Seeing a blinking green light on your Ryobi charging station can leave you wondering whether everything is charging normally or if something needs attention. In some situations, the charger seems to work for a moment and then starts blinking, while other times the battery never appears to charge at all. Small things like battery placement, contact buildup, temperature conditions, or charger connection problems can sometimes affect how the charging station behaves. Instead of guessing what the blinking light means, there are a few simple checks that may help you get things working smoothly again. Let's go through several easy steps to fix a Ryobi charging station blinking green light. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the Ryobi charging station and place it back carefully to make sure it sits properly. Step 2. Try a different wall outlet for the Ryobi charging station to confirm stable power is available. Step 3. Wipe the contact points inside the Ryobi charging station if dust or debris is visible. Step 4. Let the battery rest before charging in the Ryobi charging station if it feels unusually warm or cold. Step 5. Test another compatible battery in the Ryobi charging station to compare charging behavior. Step 6. Watch the light on the Ryobi charging station again and check if the blinking pattern changes to normal charging.